Hello everyone, I am John James. Did you know that over 500 hours of video are uploaded to YouTube every single minute? With that much content flooding the platform, how do you make sure your video stands out? Well, the answer lies in one thing, your video title. That's right, before people see your thumbnail or even hear your voice, they see your title. And if it's not click-worthy, your video might as well be invisible. Today, we're uncovering the real secret to crafting viral YouTube titles that drive clicks, views, and engagement. Plus, I'll be revealing a simple formula that big YouTubers use to explode their videos. So stick around, this could be a game changer for your channel. The problem. Why most YouTube titles fail. Let's be real. Most YouTubers struggle to get clicks because their titles are either too boring, too vague, or just plain misleading. Have you ever spent hours editing your video only to upload it and get crickets? Yeah, we've all been there. Here's why your titles might not be working. Too generic. Titles like My Morning Routine or Vlog Number 12 tell viewers nothing about why they should watch. 2. Too clickbaity. If your title promises shocking truth but delivers nothing surprising, viewers leave fast, hurting your channel's ranking. 3. No emotional hook. People don't just click on videos, they click on stories, emotions, and solutions to their problems. What makes you click on a video? Comment below. But don't worry. We're about to flip the script and unlock the secret behind truly viral YouTube titles. The solution. Key elements of a viral title. If you want people to click your video, your title must have these 4 powerful elements. 1. Clarity and specificity. Your audience should know exactly what they're getting. Bad. How to be more productive. Better. How I get 10 hours of work done in 5 hours. Productivity hack. 2. Keywords and SEO optimization. Titles with high-ranking keywords get discovered more often. Bad, cool camera tips. Better, top 5 DSLR camera hacks every beginner must know. 3. Emotional triggers and power words. Make viewers feel curiosity, urgency, or excitement. Bad, weight loss tips. Better, lose 10 pounds in 30 days. Do this daily. 4. The power of curiosity. Make people feel like they must click to find out more. Bad, why I stopped eating sugar. Better, I quit sugar for 30 days. Here's what happened. The secret formula to viral titles. Now here's the real game changer. The biggest YouTubers use this simple formula to create viral titles. Here is formula for viral titles, number or trigger, plus emotional hook, plus curiosity or promise. Examples. Mind-blowing facts you didn't know about Elon Musk. This simple trick made my videos go viral. Try it. The shocking truth about YouTube growth, no one tells you. When you combine these elements, your titles become irresistible. And guess what? The more people click, the more YouTube pushes your video to a wider audience. As we conclude. So let's recap. Your video title determines your success. Use clarity, keywords, emotional triggers, and curiosity. Apply the viral title formula and watch your views skyrocket. Now I have a challenge for you. Drop your best video title idea in the comments, and I'll personally reply with feedback. And if you want more insider secrets on growing your YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button and check the description for exclusive tools and resources to help you create content that gets seen.